I started working when I was 15 at a fast food chain. Always knew that I wanted to do a science degree. That was the be all and end all for me. But then when I reached uni, it was like, okay, but what next? There was no end goal.
I would like to tell them to go find out, ask questions, see if you can go in there, ask people who may work there, what do you do there, what do you make?
There are so many jobs that they're unaware of. You could be a sparky in the manufacturing industry, you could be a developer, or you could be an accountant.
For young kids, there's lots of opportunities and they're not always what you think they might be.
If you want to choose a different role or move to a different area within the same company, there's a lot of scope there to move around.
I got into manufacturing because I've always liked working with my hands. My dad's always been in a trade. I did originally want to do mechanics, and when I went to a VCAL course, they didn't have mechanics, but they did have engineering, so they said that's the closest thing, and that's kind of where it all began.
What I immediately fell in love with was the notion that we could make something at work and I'd see it on the shelf the next day.
It's not just a job. Some of the manufacturing areas, it's a real career building stuff, and even if you're starting on the shop floor, there's opportunities everywhere.
I'm enjoying what I'm doing and always growing in my knowledge base and my skill set, so I plan to just keep doing that and always progressing, learning new things and trying to be the best that I possibly can be in my field.